Before starting this video, I would like to mention that this video is for community service, with the purpose of giving proper guidance. In this video we are going to discuss about being an auditor as a career. So, let's get started. We will discuss about the job profile, what job roles are being offered to an auditor, reasons to why to consider being an auditor, educational qualification to be an auditor, selection process, salary and other perquisites offered. We will also discuss about the top recruiters, advantages and disadvantages in relation to this particular field. The main question arises: who are auditors? And what is their job profile? Auditors are specialists who review and examine the accounts of companies and organizations to ensure the validity and legality of their financial records. They can also act in an advisory role to recommend possible risk aversion measures and cost savings that could be made. Auditors can work in both the public and private sectors as an internal auditor, an external auditor, or an independent auditor. Now we will see what kind of roles are being offered to an auditor. Personal financial advisor, budget analyst, management analyst, financial analyst, financial manager. I have explained in detail about each position. So, y'all can pause the video and understand about each position and their roles. Next, we will discuss about the reasons why to consider being an auditor as a profession or career. The skills you get as an auditor set you up for any career path, from manufacturing to healthcare to tech consulting, to name a few. It's a dynamic and changing profession. It is a purpose-driven career and one we can take pride in, because auditors help to promote transparent financial reporting, which is an important element of our highly integrated global economy and helps keep our global economic system functioning. It gives an opportunity to meet with many different people at various levels in the organization and build strong professional networks. From line staff to members of senior management to chief executives, there aren't many professions like audit that provide you that kind of face time with so many people. This boosts confidence to grow professional and social network. Demonstrating a strong work ethic and a commitment to the goals gives management hope that you can continue to be successful in your work environment. A committed and dedicated attitude sets an example for the co-workers. These so-called soft skills include strong abilities in areas like communication, teamwork, critical thinking and problem solving. Each of these talents can add value to the organization. Such skills can give you the experience to be prepared and equipped to take that next step toward achieving your goals. Now, we will discuss about the educational qualification required to become an auditor. After 10th standard you all can take up any stream, but after 12th standard it is compulsory to opt for commerce courses such as Bachelor of Commerce, Bachelor of Commerce specialized in taxation, Bachelor of Accounting and Finance, Bachelor of Business Administration and other such degrees. Even professional courses can also be taken up such as Chartered Accountancy, Company Secretary, Cost Accountant, etc. Coming to the main aspect, what this profile has to offer. This job profile offers a handsome pay as compared to other professions. Auditors working with private companies in India tend to earn more. With increased professional experience and the right industry, an auditor can earn great salaries. An auditor is entitled to many perquisites and allowances such as dearness allowance, house rent allowance, travel allowance, etc. At times the work to be carried is out of station, at client's place. With such a profile you get to travel a lot. Now, we will look into what are the advantages if we choose being an auditor as a profession. Auditing is mentally challenging and stimulating. Although auditing does not create or make things, it's highly analytical. Learn to negotiate and be assertive at the same time. Conflicts with the clients and within a team are sometimes unavoidable. Variety is a typical feature of the job. Regularly moving from client to client and from office to office, applying your skills and knowledge to a new set of circumstances, continuously building experience and expertise without being bored of doing the same thing. Auditors normally work in teams. Leadership skills are developed. A lot of learning happens on the job through team interactions. Learning more from senior colleagues and get to teach and mentor junior staff. Very tight deadlines are also a common feature of an audit engagement, and it is essential to have support and cooperation from everyone on a team to achieve a task. Therefore, you often form strong bonds and friendships. A paid leisure. At the end of a big engagement, there is often an all-expenses-paid client's dinner where everyone gets together to relax, socialize and celebrate a job well done. A well-paid job, plus traveling around the globe, is like cherry on the cake. As there is always two sides of a coin, this profession also comes with certain disadvantages. Let's understand what they are. While some accountants may be able to enjoy a regular 40-hour work week, others are required to work much longer hours. In addition to the actual time it takes to review and examine the books, auditors will also need to schedule times to meet with clients, which may entail significant travel time. Continuing education is important to keep accountants abreast of new laws and regulations that affect their line of work. The exact requirements will vary with each state, so it's important to check your state's laws to make sure you're in compliance. Being an auditor can become stressful at times, as many are under tight deadlines. They cannot take the risk of negligence. Therefore, a lot is riding on the shoulders. So, it's important to be meticulous in your work and show great attention to detail. Auditors are always in demand. The following are the main sectors where auditors play a major role. Finance and insurance sector, public sector undertaking popularly known as PSUs, bookkeeping and payroll services, management consultancy services, tax consultancy services. Following are the top recruiters who hire auditors. The Big Four companies, that is Deloitte, Ernst & Young popularly known as EY, KPMG, PwC, LIC Housing Finance Limited, Bajaj Finance Limited, National Stock Exchange, SBI Capital Markets Limited. Now, coming to some relevant information relating to this profession. Retirement age. The prescribed age of retirement is attaining the age of 60 years to 65 years depending on the type of organization. Talking about retirement benefits and pension benefits differs from organization to organization. There is no voluntary retirement scheme prescribed in this field. I have covered all aspects relating to this profession. If y'all have any doubts, please let me know in the comments section. Hope y'all find the information in the video to be useful. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe.